Guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon our problem is make the complete schematic diagram for the three transformers shown below to be connected to 220 volts 3-piece and secure 440 volts 3-piece load. This is line 1, line 2, line 3 supply 220 volts 3-piece. This is our transformer. This is terminal X1, then coil, then X2. Then ang X2 connected sa H2, connected sa H2. Then coil X1. Coil X1 for our line 3. Then line 2 natin patungo sa X1, then X2. Naka-connect siya sa X2 transformer 1, X2 transformer 3, X2 transformer 3. Then grounded. Then ang X2 is X2 connected series. This is EBC terminal. Load electrical machine 440 volts 3-piece. This is primary winding to 20 volts Y. It's ang H1, X and X1, X2. Then X1 and X2 TR1. Then for ang X1 and X2 sa transformer 2. X1 and 73 is 12. X2 this is a Y terminal secondary winding 440 volts Y. Ang X1 and X2 sa TR1. X1 and X2 TR2. X1 connected sa X2 sa bushing. This one is a secondary winding 440 volts Y. Bible verse of the day, 1 John 5:11. And this is the record that God has given to us eternal life, and this is in His Son. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys. And God bless. To God be all the glory.